Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy Wix website tip that's perfect for making your site just a little bit smarter. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to link to a hidden page in Wix so you can guide visitors to special content without it showing up in the main navigation menu. This is a fantastic way to create members-only areas, exclusive landing pages, or anything else you want to keep off the beaten path. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to hop into your Wix web design dashboard. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're inside, you'll see the main design interface. This is your hub for customizing literally everything about your site. Take a moment to get comfortable here. You're looking for the Pages and Menu section, which is typically on the left-hand side. Click on that and you'll see a list of all the pages you currently have on your website. This is basically the map your visitors use to move around, so every page listed here is a potential stop on their journey. Now, let's talk about hiding a page. The reason you might want to hide a page is so it's not immediately visible in your website's navigation, but you can still send people there with a direct link. Think of it a bit like an unlisted phone number, not on the directory, but still reachable if you know how. To do this, find the page you want to keep hidden from the menu. Hover your mouse over it and you'll notice 3 little dots appear next to it. This is Wix's way of saying, hey, there are more options here. Click on those 3 dots. Among the different choices, you'll see Hide from Menu. Click that and you'll see a little icon appear showing that this page is now hidden. Don't worry, your page isn't deleted or disabled. It's just tucked away so only people with the link can find it. The next step is about control. You want to guide your visitors. So let's add a button that links directly to the hidden page. Head back to your site design and choose where you want your button to go. This could be on your homepage, a members-only area, or wherever makes sense for your visitor's journey. Click Add and choose Button from the options. Drag it into position, and feel free to customize the look so it matches your site's vibe. Buttons are like signposts. You want them to be clear and inviting. Here comes the important part. Linking that button to your hidden page. Click on the button you just added, and then you'll see an option called Link. This opens up the opportunity to connect the button to different places on your site. Choose the Page option when linking. Now Wix will show you a list of all your available pages, including the one you've hidden from the main menu. Find your hidden page in the list and select it. This tells Wix to send anyone who clicks this button straight to that special hidden page. No detours, no need for it to be front and center on your menu. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you've set up the link, take a few moments to preview your site and test how it works. Click your new button just like a visitor would and make sure it brings you right to the hidden page. This part might take a few moments, but don't worry if you need to double-check the link. It's always smart to make sure everything's working exactly how you want. If you followed along, you now have a hidden page that only visitors you want can access via your custom link. You've added a clever layer of privacy and polish to your Wix site, and honestly, this trick can make your user experience so much more thoughtful. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. Drop any questions you have down in the comments, and if you want to keep learning more useful Wix tips, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.